mission of Atlantic Emergency Solutions has remained unchanged since my wife Tammy and I started this company 10 years ago. Our goal, to be the premier provider of fire and emergency solutions that help first responders save lives and protect property. I attribute this amazing growth to date as a reflection of the trust we've earned and maintained with our customers. It's truly a commitment, beginning with our sales and service professionals who are trusted to help design and service highly customized apparatus and other emergency vehicles serving the unique needs of our communities. Atlantic also has an obligation to each of those communities. For another 20 to 25 years, we need to ensure that trucks remain operational and are returned to service as quickly as possible. To do so, we've built the largest service network in the Mid-Atlantic, having grown from just 6 locations to over 13, and we're actively searching for another 10 locations in the next 12 to 24 months. The opportunity with Finley Fire Equipment represents a new era for Atlantic Emergency Solutions, enabling us to expand into Ohio, Kentucky, and West Virginia. This allows us to provide world-class support. Although we're just beginning, we're taking action immediately. In addition to the 3 current service locations as a part of the acquisition, we're actively looking for 5 more locations and are recruiting additional skilled sales and service professionals. I'm extremely proud of our organization and what we've accomplished in only 10 years. We're looking forward to an amazing 2021, meeting new customers, letting them get hands-on with the latest apparatus, and showing them that Atlantic's sales and service teams are second to none.